Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will going to have reading for our Scorpio collectives and what's ahead for their 2024. Bago tayo mag-start, I would like to invite you to our other social media platform, our IG account, and our shop. Sa Shopee po. Sa Shopee lang po tayo may shop. And I would like to invite you to follow also in our shop kung meron po kayong mga um, gusto doon sa ating shop. Andiyan po ang link sa ating description box. Okay, let's move on to our Scorpio readings. Hello, my Scorpio babies, Sun, Moon, and Rising sign. Okay, what is the focus of our Scorpio collectives? What's ahead for our Scorpio collectives? Okay. Okay. So maybe our Scorpio or my Scorpio collectives, you are dealing with manipulative environment. You are dealing with very stuck feeling. Sabihin natin the dull feeling. Currently, right now, you are feeling so stuck. You are dealing with manipulative people. You feel unforgiving and bitterness. Then, dito, you have sudden change because of the tower. So, 2024 is your year for sudden change and revelations. So, ito, actually, pag titingnan natin talaga ang tower, um, I feel that this brings positive when it comes to changes. Pero sobrang bilis niya. Kung minsan na misinterpret natin yung biglang pagbabago dahil nga sa sobrang bilis ng ating tower card, ganun siya magbago. Unlike dun sa death card na changes, dito kasi sa tower card, distraction. Distraction of old foundations. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, you are dealing with manipulative people or harsh environment, like cold environment na, kumbaga, hindi mo makita yung sabihin nating happiness or sabihin natin productivity because you feel stuck in that position, in that place, in that space, in that environment. Okay. So, kumbaga, this environment, this manipulative and sabihin natin deceitful environment and people, if you are dealing with people or with someone, your 2024 are assuring you for or kailangan i-expect mo sa 2024 ay magkakaroon ng magbilis na pagbabago when it comes to this matter. Okay? If you are feeling no initiative, if you are feeling sabihin natin, or if you are dealing with, sabihin natin yung mga low or toxic energy or people, dull or cheap, magkakaroon niya ng changes, magkakaroon siya ng pagbabago agad-agad, may mga mangyayaring pagbabago. Sabihin natin, ihinahanda ka ng reading na to para i-expect na yon yung pagbabago nyo kasi maaaring bigla ka magulat, mahirapan ka agad mag-adjust because of these radical shifts. And yes, kasi yung kasing manipulative environment na to, yung environment or relationship or people na nakapaligid sa'yo, it's sabihin natin, nagkakos sa'yo ng delay, nagkakos sa'yo ng blockages, and of course, nagkakos sa'yo ng sabihin natin unproductiveness. So, dito din sa radical change or sabihin natin distraction, yung mga, or ito kasi kinaganda ng tower, awakening, and yun nga, sudden change, it might cause you some temporary feeling down. Kung hindi mo to i-expect, kung hindi mo to sabihin natin agad na mai-interpret as happy or positive change, you might feeling down pag yung kumbaga na-interpret mo siya na maaaring hindi ka pa ready, napakawalan yung circle na yon or yung friendship na yon, yung relationship na yon, or maaaring hindi ka pa ready i-let go yung place and environment na yon. can cause you feeling down. And sabihin natin, uh, parang ang pwede mo maging interpretation din is, kumbaga, unhappiness or sadness. But always remind that this sudden change is for you, for good, para matanggal, mawala, magkaroon ng, sabihin natin, flow, maalis ka na sa environment na to, sa manipulative environment na to. Also, this tower cards, it brings you awakening and revelations. Maaaring ikaw ay pinapaikot ng mga bagay-bagay, ng environment, ng mga tao sa paligid mo, at hindi mo pa yun alam ngayon. Hindi mo pa siya alam. And this, sa year 2024, there's a lot of revelations. Kailangan ihanda mo yung sarili mo because of that awakening and the destruction of old foundation. Kagaya ng sinabi ko, if you were feeling down with that changes, that's temporary. Lagi mong isipin yun with the feeling down. It is just temporary. Kasi nga sobrang bilis and awakening revelation, baka magulat ka sa mga madidiscover mo about this manipulative. Yun yung unang card mo, manipulative and stuck energy. What else for our Scorpios? Pessimism. Heartache. Okay? So, emotional pain. It can cause you emotional pain. This awakening, temporary feeling down, it can cause you hurt. Of course, ma-hurt ka when you discover this. So, itong tinutukoy dito manipulative, hindi mo pa pa-aware. This is really deceitful energy. And once na-discover mo to, you might feeling down, you might sabihin natin magkaroon ng depression or brokenheartedness, but always remind yourself na this is temporary. So, siguro kung i-expect mo na siya, hindi ka na masyadong masasaktan. And kagaya ng sinabi ko, yes, masakit kuminsan, lalo na pag ang mga manipulative environment, hindi mo kasi ina-expect yan. Kasi nga, kaya ka namamanipulate. Parang yun yung pinaniniwalaan mo. But the blessing, the good thing here is to awakening. Mai-stop na yung sabihin natin panloloko, paglalaro. I'm not talking about relationship here. Lahat, sa lahat. Even the friendship, betrayal, nandiyan lahat yon. Basta sinabi natin manipulative, yung may mga secrets na itinatago sa'yo, yung mga hindi mo pa na-discover. Okay, always remember your, with this idealism and dreamer, magiging aware ka sa mga nangyayari na to. Your spirit guides are always assuring you for this year, nandiyan ang intuitive messages, lagi kang makikinig sa iyong intuition. So, maaaring ngayon wala kang idea, pero once na dumating na sa'yo itong, sabihin natin, intuitive message na to, magsisimula na yung awakening, yung discoveries mo sa paligid. Okay? So, one of your blessings is the intuitive messages and the strong connection with your inner child. And the possibilities also, yes, okay? Transitions. 2 times na lumitaw yung transitions, may malaking pagbabago sa yung 2024. The transitions, okay. So, with these connections, if you are healing your inner child, galing doon sa revelation na yon, galing doon sa discoveries, galing doon sa awakening na, kumbaga, na experiences mo, there's a possibilities, always possibilities, there's a strong energy here when we talk about Page of Cups. Your spirit guides are always giving you intuitive messages. Okay? Hindi ka nila pababayaan when it comes to this manipulative. Hindi ka nila hahayaan na mag-stay dito sa manipulative situations na to. And they are assuring you for transitions and calmer waters, or ilalayo ka nila. They will help you to accept this lesson and to move on to the calmer waters kung saan ay safe ka with this Six of Swords. Kung nakikita nyo, ayan, leaving behind. Okay? So, sobrang, sabi natin, literal talagang pagbabago. Hindi lang yung taon ang nagbabago. Pati, even the revelation and transition. Two times, kumbaga, kinonfirm ng ating reading na magkakaroon talaga ng malaking pagbabago. But I think that's good for you kasi the manipulative environment is sobrang draining. Parang kumbaga na there's a thin veil na parang pinagmumukha kang sabihin natin crazy. Kasi nga, minamanipula ka. Even your, sabihin natin hindi ka lang basta niloloko. Even sabihin natin, example niyan is yung emotional roller coaster na pati yung emotion mo pinaglalaroan. That's part or that's example of manipulation and manipulative environment. Okay, King of Cups, another cups for your blessings is you will going to have emotionally matured and balanced. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng compassionate and sabihin natin, magiging strong enough yung pagiging empath mo, yung pagiging sensitive mo with it comes to this matter. Kung sabihin natin sa una-una, may offend ka, hindi mo agad marirealize na yung, maybe, yung reading na to is, hindi mo agad marirealize na yun na yun. Pero, your spirit guides are giving you blessings and more power to be emotionally matured and balanced. Kumbaga, one of your big blessings for 2024 is your intuition. Really. Kumbaga, kung sa ngayon ay hindi ka masyadong aware sa mga nangyayari sa environment, by year 2024, marirealize mo agad and mapa-find out mo agad kung ano ang totoo at kung ano ang hindi. Okay. Okay, so nandyan din yung mga sabihin natin you will going to ilalayo ka ng yung spirit guides with Six of Swords doon sa mga sabihin natin aggressive and rude and even the tactless force or energy. Yung mga bully, kung nakaka-experience ka ng pambubully right now, they are assuring you na ilalayo ka nila sa ganyang klase ng environment. Okay, my dear Scorpios, yung baga, kung meron mang I feel na ikaw ay napapalibutan ng ganitong klaseng environment ng mga tao or circle. Yes. And also for our specific collective Scorpio babies, you will going to have some personal closure with this world card. If right now hindi ka pa ready for that closure, it must happen. It must happen for the year 2024. It must be complete and learned. Okay? Kailangan na ng personal closure kung meron ka something na wala pa. Okay, so we are 2024 also showing you for your manifestations. So just focus on your creativity and turning your visions into reality. So more on sabihin natin na you are guided to sabihin natin to have more and more visions. And sabihin natin yung willpower, your angels and guides are assuring you to give you more inspiration. So, pwede natin sa madaling sabi na yung mga napagdaanan mo na to sa mga paligid mo, sa tao or relationship, just take it as inspiration. Focus on your creativity and your manifestations. Okay, kumbaga no more delayed, no more stuck energy for the year 2024, and you have to let go pagdating sa sabihin natin disorganization. If you are struggling to juggle, if you are sabihin natin unable to commit, your spirit guides are assuring you na if you focus your energy on creativity, your manifestations are easily coming on your way. Okay? And resource ability. Kumbaga, 2024 is your year for manifestations. Even na sabihin natin napapalibutan ka na ng ganitong klaseng environment, your current year, your 2024 is a big transition for your manifestations. Maaari ito, yung environment na to ang nag-cause sa'yo ng delay. Okay? Yung environment na to ang nag-cause sa'yo ng delay. So, kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng focus sa iyong creativity, libangin ang sarili, kung sabihin natin ngayong taon ay nasanay ka ng you are included with the circle and by 2024 ay magkakaroon ng revelations na kailangan i-let go ang mga ilang tao sa paligid or even your environment, even your relationship. Just focus on your creativity and your skill. Sabihin natin, nurture your skill. 2 times, okay? This 11-11, the homecoming, is confirming for your, sabihin natin, celebration of harmony. Okay, the peace of mind. Your 2024 assuring you for peace of mind. Okay, eto, celebration again. Diba? Sobrang ganda ng 2024. Ang dami, 2 times creativity. Focus your energy on creativity. Maaaring this year na stuck yun because of manipulation of your environment and some other people. Pero 2024, the big revelation is coming and wala kang ibang dapat gawin kundi i-focus ang iyong energy sa iyong creativity. Kung ano man ang revelation na iyong madidiscover. Okay. Punta naman tayo sa love portion. Kanina pa to tumatalon. Okay. The divine love and union. Sa mga singles nating Scorpio babies dyan, the unions are coming, the deep soul connections are coming, people. Sabihin natin ito, kung if ever na magkaroon ng conflict sa inyong circle right now, maybe that's the revelation or awakening. And even then sa relationship, kung meron kayong mapag-aawayan na hindi sabihin natin mahirap tanggapin para sa'yo, your angels and guides are assuring you for the year 2024 for unions, for the good, healthy soul tribe, good, healthy soulmate. Okay? Kung meron mang aalis, yun ang isang mga, doon, kung merong aalis, merong darating. At yung darating na yun, yun ay bigay sa'yo ng angels and guides. That's part of your soul connections, deep souls connections, and divine love. Okay? So, ibig sabihin iyon ito ay bigay sa'yo or blessing sa'yo ng iyong angels and guides because of the divine love. Okay? For our singles then, romance, nandiyan din. Maaari yung tao na to ay ma-encounter mo, sabihin natin, isa sa mga soulmates or soul tribe mo or yan na yung iintay mo for your union. And yeah, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, 2 times lumabas, the 11-11, and ayan, manifestations. Okay? So, nandyan yung celebration of harmony. Maaari yung mga in relationship natin ay magkaroon din ng family for the year 2024 and marriage. Okay? And kasunod din niya yung celebrations. Friendship. Ayan, ang ganda ng card na to kasi maaaring may ilan currently or right now, merong part ng environment mo or ng life mo na hindi deserve. Hindi ka deserve. And for the year 2024, darating yung mga taong deserve ka. Kasi nandyan ang celebrations, nandyan ang harmony, nandyan ang sabihin natin family and friends, reunions, community, and gatherings. And with ito 4 of Wands and the 3 of Cups, magkasunod sila for your place of shared joy. Okay? Circle of support. Maaaring nandyan mo mamimit yung mga taong genuine with genuine intention sa'yo. Okay? The friendship, 2 times din lumabas, and community. Diba? So, maaaring masaktan ka sa mga awakening and revelations na ma-discover mo, pero always remember these 3 cards, the Lovers, the 4 of Wands, and the 3 of Cups na they are assuring you na merong darating. Nandyan ang iyong soul tribe. Nandyan ang mga taong with deep soul connection with you. Iyan ay divine love na blessings para sa'yo. Okay. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, sa mga in relationship, maaari ka ding mabuntis or sabihin nating magkaroon ng sariling pamilya sa year 2024. And eto na, pangatlong confirmation, the breakthrough and new. Okay, new ideas. Kasi nandun yung transition, nandun ang breakthrough and changes with the Tower card. So, mental clarity nandyan din. So, iyan ay ng ating Tower card na awakening and revelation. Maiintindihan mo ang mga bagay-bagay. And yes, this Ace of Swords assuring you for success. Just focus. Focus on your visions. Focus on your truth and creativity. Teka. Eto, di ba nasa love portion nga tayo? Maaring pregnancy din kasi ang focus ng Ace of Swords. And sabihin natin, andyan ang mga new. So, maaari nga may pregnancy. Maaari yung mamit mo din na to. Ito na yung ito na yung makakataluyan mo or magbibigay sa'yo ng anak. Okay. Maaaring collaboration dumating din sa'yo. Ibinigay ito ng divine. This person from divine or this love connection is from divine to help you to collaborate for some projects, for some creativity, to help you to focus on your, sabihin natin, dreams and sabihin natin, dreams and success. Okay? Pwedeng makasundo mo to, itong taong to na mamimit mo na to or yung sabihin natin mga collaborate mo sa mga projects, sa mga new insights and ideas. Pwede siya makapag-contribute sa iyo ng maraming ideas and to nurture you to become a more visionary. Ayan, okay, King of Swords. So, another mental clarity for the King of Swords. Maaaring ito yung mismong may encounter mo, sabihin natin na siya yung intellectual, isang intellectual, may authority, and tutulungan ka and tuturuan ka kung paano magkaroon ng standards, kung paano mag-set ng healthy boundaries, kung paano mo ingatan yung iyong integrity. So, dito, ito yung someone or ito yung mga taong tutulong sa'yo to make, sabihin natin, discipline, to make authority, healthy boundaries. So, tutulungan kanila kung paano magkaroon nun. Maybe, yun ang kailangan mo. Maybe, ngayong taon, hindi ka masyadong nag-focus sa mga ganong klaseng bagay. And these people will help you. Or kung sabihin natin ito yung magiging future partner mo for our singles, isang characteristic ng taong to is very disciplined and with high standards and intellectual power. Also, he or she holds integrity and serious. Sabihin natin, baka ito ay masyadong mukhang seryoso and strict. Pwede yun ang characteristic. Okay. Sa unang impression ay pwedeng mukha siyang demanding or serious. So, pwede yun. But, mapapakiramdaman mo naman kung yung taong yun or habang tumatagal, makikilala mo talaga yung taong yun. Okay. So, isa din sa relationship is sa 2024, kailangan kumbaga ituturuan ka ng ilang tao na naging part ng buhay mo or ng relationship mo na nag-cause sa'yo ng low confidence and lack of self-worth. Kumbaga, it might, sabihin natin, yung mga taong yun ay nag-cause sa'yo ng delays and frustrations. So, your 2024, hindi na sila magiging part ng iyong journey. Okay? So, yan. Delays, blockages. Okay, what else? What is a lack of distractions? Okay. My Scorpios, pwede ding meron kang, eto pa, meron, challenges, pagdating sa challenges, hangga't hindi mo natututunan yung naging lessons mo for this year na about manipulatives, ang magiging lessons mo over and over again kung hindi mo ito matututunan and hindi mo to kayang i-let go is ganun at ganun pa rin. Okay? So, makaka-encounter ka pa rin ng taong deceitful, makaka-encounter na magkakos pa rin sa'yo ng delays and frustrations, and also false starts and blockages. Kung hindi mo pa rin matututunan yung mga lessons na yun, maaaring maka-encounter ka pa rin, mag-ingat at kumbaga, use your intuition, mag-ingat sa mga taong kagaya nito, mga selfish, and maaari ka pa rin kasing maka-encounter ng ganong klaseng tao as part of your lessons. So, kailangan ay maging aware ka sa mga ganong klase ng tao. Okay? So, dapat, kumbaga, kung naka-encounter ka na before, alam mo na siyang i-find out kung sino ang totoo at kung sino ang hindi. Kasi kung hindi mo ulit, kung sabihin natin, accept ka lang ng accept, you will going to, sabihin natin, nasa iisang cycle ka lang at hindi yun mag-e-end. It might cause you rejection kung ikaw ay sabihin natin, delays, and ayan, maaaring maka-encounter ka ng taong ganito, full of drama. So, full of vengeful and jealous. And it might cause a false start. Pwede din ilan sa ating collectives ay makaka-encounter ka ng taong makaka-encounter ka ng taong i-accept mo agad. Pero kumbaga na akala mo ay panibago na, akala mo iba ulit, pero ito ay sabihin nating magkokos sa'yo ng lack of direction or false start. Maaaring ito din ang maging distractions mo when it comes to creativity. Kaya always remember, siguro ang kailangan maging mantra mo is focused on your creativity. Kung iyan ay hindi magna-nurture sa yung creativity, kagaya ng sinabi ko sa iyo doon sa mga tao darating sa iyo to teach you on how to have your discipline, kung hindi sila yon, ibig sabihin, eto, distraction yun. Distraction kung hindi sila makakapag-ambag sa yung creativity, sa yung ideas. Okay? So, iyon ang isa sa mga challenges mo when it comes to relationship and love. And ito din, kung hindi mo din ito agad mapa-find out, kung sabihin natin na, kumbaga may dumating ang bagong tao, inaccept mo siya, nang siya yun, maaari mag-cause to sa'yo ng, sabihin natin, financial failure. Kaya mag-ingat sa mga, sabihin natin, maging maingat sa mga panibagong tao na darating. It might cause you conflict over money din. Again, kung hindi yan magko-contribute sa yung ng new ideas and insights sa'yo, kumbaga magkaroon ng healthy boundaries. Hindi sila yung taong, kumbaga, nandito sa card for divine love. Hindi sila yun. Kung hindi sila makakapag-contribute ng new insight and ideas. Okay. Solitude to gather your thoughts. Lagi mong pag-iisipan bago ka umaccept ng panibagong tao sa buhay mo, bago mo sagutin kung merong mamandiligaw sa iyo, self-protection and peace. Kung diyan pa lang sa taong yan nararamdaman mo na parang hindi mauulit na naman yung nakaraan sa panibagong tao lang, let it go. Kasi hindi mabablock magkakaroon ng blockages dito sa union, sa divine union na to, sa mga taong deserve ka. Kung magpo-focus ka doon, kung sabihin natin, sige, itry ko lang, dapat ay, kumbaga, kung nararamdaman mo na yon, magkaroon ka na agad ng self-protection. Okay. So, new beginnings, again, andyan na ulit, a new beginnings for your love portion. For your love portion. Okay. Message from our angels. What's ahead for 2024? Won't stop. Perseverance. Okay. So, perseverance don't stop. Kung halimbawa paulit-ulit yung na-encounter mo situation and yung mga tao sa buhay mo na parang gusto mo na magsawa, magkakamukha lang sila, is pag-isipan mo mabuti. Ano ba yung lessons na ibinibigay sa'yo ng situations or ng tao na yan? Okay? Huwag susuko. Yes, the romance is coming. They are assuring you nandyan ang divine love. And yes, again, your 2024 is your for divine love. Pero kagaya ng sinabi ko, may darating pa rin ng mga tao para i-distract ka. But always remember, kung hindi yan magko-contribute sa iyong insight, sa iyong creativity, and sa iyong ideas, hindi sila yun. Learn to compromise. Have a healthy boundaries and self-protection. And let go, of course. Let go sa mga taong or sa mga environment na madidiscover mo at magkakaroon, mga manipulative environment and mga tao na sabihin natin magiging part ng revelation and awakening. Creativity again. Connect with your womb. Again, itong reading na to for our Scorpios, talagang may magkaka-baby. May magkaka-baby. Connect with your womb, but this also means creativity. It's either creativity for your new ideas and also sa mga in relationship natin, new baby is coming for 2024. Okay, advice for our spirit guides. Okay, another tower. Okay, again, your card for 2024 is sudden change. Lagi mo tatandaan another tower card for you, but always remember change is good. Okay, my dear Scorpios, Sun, Moon, and Rising. I think that's all for this reading, for the general reading for your 2024. Expect the sudden change, but always remember that is for you. And that sudden change is, sabihin natin, para masira na, mag-close na, and mag-end na ko ano man ang manipulation. Again, that the focus of energy in this reading is sudden change and of course manipulation. So connected sila. And that's all for this reading, my Scorpio babies, Sun, Moon, and Rising. And see you in my next one.